Hello everyone, we're going to talk about equip remote control and the mobile pad, part 2. Execute, auto calibrate, or auto zero, or auto initialize the basic command. For example, equipment engineer could use mobile pad to execute basic command just like this to make equipment self-adjust during idle time, not process time. During idle time, as needed to gain service time. Equipment engineer has discussion with PE, PIE, FAC engineer, QC engineer, and so on with real-time data. It means that equipment engineer could show the real-time data with the mobile pad to have meeting with another department. At some particular situation, we install the camera recorder on the top position to take picture image and record the movement for the equipment. So we can use the real-time film from the camera and information of mobile pad. Both of these data to make further action to avoid further incident by equipment engineer judging in time. So if the equipment engineer just not stay near the equipment and he can use information of mobile pad, then see the real-time film from the camera to make some important action to avoid further incident or further damage in time. Although the remote control and the mobile pad is very convenient for equipment engineer to execute his work, but just for senior equipment engineer to operate engineer level or service level of the control level class. Or just the senior engineer operate these higher level to use more command with mobile pad. For example, some alarm or warning can be reset easily without visual check. So the senior engineer understand that. And another example, some situation can just execute any further action by mobile pad without investigate. For example, another example, equipment be serviced by another equipment engineer could have a hazard incident as operated by you far away using the mobile pad. If you are not near equipment and just operate the command by using mobile pad without any check. You may hurt somebody just servicing with the equipment. Okay, let's all see you next time.